Mortaji, and I can tell you something. I was innocently minding my business, swiping on Tinder, when I saw this man put in his bio that dog moms are a red flag for him. And I just want to know what you out here doing to the man them. Do you know how hurt a man has to be to put a line in the sand and mark off an entire category of pet owners, probably the most popular category of pet owners in Jamaica? Which one of you invite the man over to the house and him wake up with the dog batty in him face because he never knows that the dog is sleeping at the bed too? Which one of you cook the dog food and leave it on the stove and make the man go in there and eat the dog food thinking it was his Sunday dinner? Which one of you the man give no money for like get Brazilian and the nails and something and come up with the nails look crusty on the chun chun eerie but the dog have a new outfit and the dog look washed? Which one of you have personally victimized this man to the point where he have to set a hard boundary like that around you know? And do I now have to, as a person who has dogs and cats, think of that as a strike against me when I'm dating? 2022 is wild.